merge multiple Excel files into a single file. We can do this automation through Microsoft Power Automate Desktop and also Excel macro. We are showing here how to do it through Excel macro. So here we need so we have two macros here. First of all, we show the source file. So we have say sales data for January, February, March. So this is the data is should be the same format. Data means all column header should be same for each file. So we have product category, actual sale, actual COGS, target COGS. Same way for February data. So same data for month of February, and for the March also same. So now we are when we are combining the making single file, for example we have three separate file, or we are getting many files here in the upcoming months, say April, May, June. So we are combining data in a single file 1 month after. So January data first, then February data, March data. This means the append, we are appending data after from in the existing data we are appending the new data one after another. So this is one thing. So we have two macro here. So one is for appending data, means if you go to the my output folder, so this is my source data folder, and my after running the macro, the my final combined file will be saved here. So first of all we show you the merged appended data. Appended data means the data is adding with the existing data. Let's see, for example, say we have here first we have January, second we have February, then we have our March data. And when we have new months, when you run the run macro, then it will it will add new month data here. And we have another output here from the second macro, another macro combining. So here actually we are combining all sheets in a single file. For example, say we have separate three separate tab in a single file. So you may need this sometime, but you can use whatever you need, you can use. So we have two macros here. So if we open first append data, so here you need to remember few things. You need to give your first of all your Excel file should be in the same format, same column header, so that then they will append data one after another. Second, you need to give your source file folder path in the cell C4 and output folder path in cell C5. So how do you get this file path? For example, first we get the source file folder path, select, shift, right click, copy as path and paste in the cell C4. Again, for output folder path means our merged data will be saved here. So select, shift, right click, copy as path and paste in the cell C5. After that, you just run the macro, and macro will combine data and create your combined data file. So uh, what which, whatever you want, append data one after another, you run this macro append data. And if you want to just take all the sheets in a single file, so you can run this one all separate tabs, this macro you can run. So same format, same thing. You need to give your source file folder path and output folder path in cell C4 and cell C5.